Hello, I am here with our alumni from the PGTM batch of 2011-2013, Mr. Sunil. So, Sunil sir, what is that one thing that you feel nostalgic about of your time at VBS?
Hi, thank you for having me over here. One thing that makes me very much nostalgic is the memories that I've spent with my friends in the classroom, the things that I learned over here, not from the syllabus point of view, but from the things that helped me become the person that I am today. That's something that I recollect. Thank you.
Interesting. So we've heard that you have your own venture, Marvel Plast. I would like to ask you what made you start your entrepreneurial journey. What is that one push behind it?
So before even the incubation cell came into existence in this college, the faculties always had this habit of encouraging us to start our own things, our own ventures. And I remember having a conversation with Rupali ma'am, Sandeep sir, wherein they told me the future is for the entrepreneurs. If you want to become something, start your own firm, have your own concepts, bring out something that you have the best in yourself. That is something that gave me a small spark in me, and it motivated me to start my own company.
Well, it seems like their advice worked magic on you. So, what one piece of advice would you like to give our current batch?
Don't be afraid of taking any risks in your life. If you don't take a risk, you will never land anywhere. The first step is always hard, but the remaining steps are always easier. So, if you want to achieve something in your life, dream for it, aim it, and achieve it. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time.